So yeah, so in reality, when the actual net, when full net is like basically manufactured, all layers are manufactured, you would see that there is a connection, and basically uh, the any charge that gets built here, induced here, will find a diffusion, right? But in the process, right, manufacturing process, you are going with lower metal layer and then next layer, like that. So the until this M3 or the this layer M2 next layer is manufactured, there is an open here. So any charge induced here, it will go through the gate oxide only once discharge. I mean, if it has to discharge, so through the gate oxide, it can rupture it and basically break, irreversibly spoil the gate oxide, right? So that is the basic point. This is what is called as process antenna effect. Now antenna, why are they calling, it's read through multiple things, but there's no specific reason to that. So antenna here is nothing but this metal, right? The metal is called as antenna. Now the point is, this is called process antenna effect. And like, where does this charge come from, right? So basically, if you see, I think we discussed this in short. So there are two metals that we are manufacturing, right? Aluminum or copper. So only the RDL layer, the topmost layer, is aluminum based, but rest of them are copper. So the copper metallization or aluminum metallization, no, during that process, at some uh, processes, this charge accumulation, charge bombardment happens. For example, in aluminum manufacturing, the method used is called plasma etching or dry etching, right? So wherein what happens is, first they so suppose you want to draw some, I don't know if drawing is difficult here, but if you want to so let's say this is my chip, and these are the M1 or the copper metals that have to come. Basically, my routing is like this, and that the foundry has to manufacture, right? So for let's say aluminum first. Suppose it is aluminum, the manufacturing process used is called plasma etching or dry etching, wherein what happens is, first they will put all of M1, all of aluminum everywhere. They'll first put all M1, and then wherever M1 is not required, they will etch away. So these, so first they'll just put entire M1. I mean, entire means, is it entire chip or some part, that all we don't know, but they'll first put like this. Then they will make, so wherever, so they will expose some gases, that all you also learned during manufacturing this thing lessons and all in your colleges. So they will expose the unneeded or not needed places to some kind of a plasma gas, which will basically react with this aluminum and etch away the aluminum in the unwanted regions. So when you are etching away, which part of, so this aluminum is real, right? This you want, this is your net. So on the side wall, so when you are removing the what do you call, the aluminum here, you, this actual aluminum side wall is exposed, right? So on those things, on the side walls of the aluminum metals, some charge can get accumulated, because plasma etching is nothing but you send some